So we are going to attempt to make KFC chicken. A man named Dan Fell has spent 18 months in perfecting the KFC chicken recipe. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Make sure you pause the video. 5 cups of plain flour, 4 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of white pepper, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of mustard powder, 1 tablespoon of celery salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of oregano, half a tablespoon of thyme, half a tablespoon of sea salt. For the egg wash, add milk, add yourself some egg whites. Get your chicken in the mix. Get the chicken and dip it in the egg wash. Put the chicken back into the mix. Coat the chicken thoroughly. Heat the oil to 160 degrees. Get the chicken in for 5 to 6 minutes. 10 out of 10, Dan Fell, thank you. Come back next video where I'll make McDonald's fries.